So students, in the last video we have seen a second problem in bilinear transformation. So we'll continue the problems in bilinear transformation now. Let's see the third problem. Find the bilinear transformation, I written in short, bilinear transformation that maps infinity I0 of the z plane onto 0I infinity of the omega plane. So 3 points is given in the z and 3 points given for omega. So first you write the formula once. Now substitute the value omega minus omega 1. Omega 1 is infinity here. Similarly, z1 is infinity here, and omega 3 is infinity is given. Now you know that any number divided by infinity, equal to 0. This you know that. So to get this form, since one point is infinity is given, so we have to make that point in this form. So here z1 is infinity, omega 3 is infinity. So I am going to write this formula as, we can write this as omega 2 by omega 3 minus 1 by omega 3 is here, isn't it? So you have to write like this. In this factor you write omega by omega 3 minus 1 into omega 2 minus omega 1. Now listen here, if you cross multiply, you will get omega 2 minus omega 3 by omega 3. Here omega minus omega 3 by omega 3. This omega 3 get cancelled. So this same as this one. Both are same. We are writing in this form. Similarly here z1 is infinity. So write this factor as z by z1 minus 1 into z2 minus z3 by z minus z3 into, now write this as z2 by z1 minus 1. Okay. Now you can substitute the values. Omega minus omega 1 is 0 into omega 2 is I by infinity minus 1 by omega by infinity minus 1 into omega 2 is I, omega 1 is 0 equal to z by infinity minus 1, z2 is I minus 0 by z minus 0 into z2 is I by infinity minus 1. Omega into this, you know that I by infinity is 0. So 0 minus 1 by, here also 0 minus 1 into I equal to 0 minus 1 into I by z into 0 minus 1. So this minus 1 get cancelled on numerator and denominator. Similarly here minus 1 get cancelled on numerator and denominator. The remaining is omega by I, here I by z. Now cross multiply this I square. I square is what? Minus 1 by z. So which is the bilinear transformation. Okay. We'll do fourth problem. So next problem. Find the Mobius transformation. Mobius or bilinear transformation, all are same. I forgot to told when you write the definition. Find the Mobius transformation or bilinear transformation. Both are same. Okay. which sends the points z equal to 0, 1, infinity into the point omega equal to minus 5, minus 1, 3. And one more question is asked, what are the invariant points? What are the invariant points of this transformation? So first find the bilinear transformation or Mobius transformation. So you write this formula once. So here also one point is infinity is given, z3 is infinity is given. So you have to write the z3 in the denominator form. So how to write this? Z minus z1, z2 by z3 minus 1. Similarly here, z by z3 minus 1 into z2 minus z1. Now write this left hand side as it is. Now you can substitute the point. Omega 1 is minus 5. So minus or minus plus 5. Omega 2 is minus 1. Omega 3 is 3 by omega minus 3 into minus 1 minus or minus plus 5 equal to z minus 0. Z1 is 0. Z2 is 1 by infinity minus 1 by z by infinity minus 1 into z2 is 1 minus 0. So omega plus 5 into minus 4 by omega minus 3 into plus 4 equal to z into 0 minus 1 by 0 minus 1 into 1. So here 4 get cancelled, here minus 1 get cancelled. So what is the remaining term? Minus omega plus 5 by omega minus 3 equal to, here the remaining term is z by 1. No need to write that. You want, you can write. Now from this you have to find out omega, so you cross multiply and simplify. Minus omega minus 5 equal to, I am cross multiplying this,